Did you know that Costa Rica is not only one of the leading tourist destinations in the world, but also home to some of the best shipping container projects? In this video, we bring to you one of them. This is a one-bedroom shipping container hideaway in Nosara, Costa Rica, built using two 20-foot shipping containers. The containers are placed in an L-shaped layout to create a one-bedroom, one-bathroom, open-plan living space. The containers are covered with a corrugated steel flying roof to cut off the elements and to give some design flair to the house. This remarkable property offers a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living, creating a haven where comfort, style, and natural beauty converge. The front door ushers you into a bright interior space, beautifully decked out with stylish modern fixtures. From the entrance is a cozy living room that invites you to unwind and relax in style. The living room features a comfortable pull-out sofa bed, complemented with floor-to-ceiling glass doors that help to expand the feeling of space and avoid confinement. From the lounge area is an immaculately designed kitchen where functionality meets modern aesthetics. The sleek and contemporary space features stainless steel appliances, concrete countertops, and under-the-counter storage cabinets with some overhead shelving. Next to the kitchen is a cozy dining area that can comfortably sit two. Natural light infuses the space through the large glass windows, showcasing the captivating views of the outdoors. Of the living area is the master bedroom, where comfort and elegance blend seamlessly. The master bedroom features a king-size bed that ensures a restful night's sleep and a smart TV conveniently placed for your viewing pleasure. The bathroom is located next to the bedroom, where you can indulge in a luxurious experience with a spacious, beautifully tiled shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity with storage. The interior modern design and the high-quality fixtures create a serene ambience, offering a tranquil retreat within the comfort of your own home. The property has got an inviting outdoor space for your enjoyment. Adorned with a hammock, outdoor dining area, and a swimming pool, this space offers a cozy and comfortable spot to relax and enjoy fresh air. The grooves of the corrugated container walls are visible throughout the exterior, emphasizing the industrial style of the house. The house is also given an additional roof above the container to shield it from harsh weather elements. This beautiful home is also listed as an Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this container cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.